Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to add some effects. Are you ready? Let's go! So here we are in the sequencer again, and the first thing I do is I select all the tracks that need an effect. And usually those are the synths and the leads. After I add all the effect plugins to the buses, I set up the sidechain settings to the compressors. I use this technique instead of the pre-delay from the effect plugin. So every time the signal of the lead hits, the compressor takes out the reverb and the delay and slowly brings it back again. I don't know what happened during the screen recording, but the sound is distorted. That's why I'm skipping ahead. Most of the time I have no idea how wet or dry the effect needs to be. Usually I just turn on the effect until the sound and the effect merge as one. And then with the compressor, you basically only hear the effect after the sound is done playing. You see what I mean? I'm turning down the wetness of the effect until it doesn't stand out that much anymore. And when the sound is done playing, you hear the effect again. And usually on those long sounds, I don't use a delay.
There is bad shit in my brain. There is no one I can blame. Fabfilter sound beat time. Make it up.
Oh, it's too late. I'm too tired, and I think this is enough for today. So I'm taking the blue pill. Oh yeah, okay, we're back. So yeah, that's it for today. We're almost done. In the next video I'm going to do some mastering. So I hope to see you there. Peace out!